it's me, Antonio Likes Aviation, and today I got a request, like, not today, I think it was like yesterday or something, and somebody asked, was like, oh, can you do, like, I put a post that you should see, that says, I need requests for, like, PTFS stuff, because I'm gonna start doing a series of that. And the first thing I got was plane spotting at Greater Rock. Plane spotting. So I was like, sure, I'll do it. So, looks like the road's not really charging, right? Something I didn't know was these lights. I didn't know they were like that. Should I go into another server? Ooh, yeah, I should. Should I? There's not too many people. Oh, whatever. So, like, my plan is I'm gonna restart my character and put always day mode so that I can, like, show, like, so that I can see the planes. So let's see here, options, yes. No, what? No. I guess it's gonna be a long flight. I don't want to respawn again, so I'm just gonna pick up Festival Jet. Wait. Oh, I don't have F-22 default. Alright. Pilot. And okay. Yes, I'm flying out. I am now flying a transparent plane because this world isn't charged. So right now it's because I don't have too good internet, and I'm sorry I stopped talking for some seconds. Just my dad came in, and so flying here. You can see it started to appear, and I am going to jump off of the plane because I don't want to try to land. Tell me, since you're here, if you're watching this, tell me in the comments, should I fly a Concorde next? Because, like, I have that one, and I don't really use it a lot because, like, no, it's not really a plane that you would use a lot because, like, there's the A380, there's 747. Yeah. Should I fly next? You tell me in the comments. There's like a Lufthansa, a Pepsi one, Air France, and United, and another one which I don't know the name. No. Gotta be kidding me. I guess I'm respawning in the Greater Rockford. That was not. Why? I'm sorry for the background sound. My voice is like this because, yeah, well, it is. I'm gonna go into free cam mode. And try and find a, oh, and wait for the buttons to charge. As we're flying around Greater Rockford. Alright, we got the zoom out button and the zoom in button. What is Baron? Oh wait, you can zoom in to see Queen Elizabeth. What? I didn't know it was really this close. Oh, over there. Look, there's a helicopter. I'm gonna pause the video and go to another server. So yeah, I'll be right. Alright, so I found the server, but I think I'm gonna have to leave because there's a line. And oh, wait, whatever. I think we're gonna get into this one. If we are in first place so fast, this is gonna be so easy. If there's a line in the server, that means that the server is like full of people and we'll have somebody that is like serious. So yeah, I'm trusting the server. I'm gonna pause for you guys because it's gonna take long. I just wanted to tell you guys something. If you guys don't know how my face looks like, if I didn't show you my face yet, tell me in the comments for a face reveal, and then I'll do it in one of these videos. If you guys want, I can do a tutorial how to get Derek Explained in the new update, because I've already found it. It's not that hard. Oh, there you go. We're getting in. Woo! Finally. That took long. But not that long. For you, it's been like 2 milliseconds or something. But for me, it's been like 2 minutes, I think. Not too long. If you guys like the new opening screen like that, with the little red plane, tell me. Because I like the old one better. Do you guys like the old Greater Rockford? I kind of do, because the old one was lined up with Tokyo Airport. So that was not really cool. Now they're like, what is happening? I'm gonna need to get into a plane real fast so I can fix this bug. So yeah, go Copilot, and now fixed. Just walk around here, see what's happening, and oh my god, this is a lot of people. Wow, look at that. Those chat. That's crazy. That is an H380 over there, if you didn't notice. I'm gonna show you guys over there. That's an H380. This might be a 7.7. No, this is an H340. This is definitely an H340. Let's take my guess. This is a Boeing 747? Oh! What? Oh, I think that was not an H380. That was a 747. You know how it said that was an H380? Oh, it's not. And I knew this was an H340, baby. Alright, let's fly over there, and I'm gonna go freak him in 3, 2, 1. Oh god, why did oh. Okay. Alright, there we go. Let's zoom out to go faster. Now this is an H380. But the new update, what I like about it is there's this new gate for especially H380s. Alright. So let's sit down here and watch. I think this is enough. Right, so we know to go that way. That's where we want to find stuff. I'll keep here the shadow open so you guys can have a feel of what's happening. And oh, looks like, yeah, this is a flight. Oh god, who is that? Oh, VHO. I'm gonna close up and let's see this little guy here take off. Plane spotting. This is, what plane is this? I think this is an A320. Let's see. Why wouldn't it appear to me? Well, I want to know what plane this is. What plane is this? I'm waiting for, no! I'll take it. Oh. Alright. No, go pilot. No. I'll take a guess as an A320. Ooh. Look, it's it's Boeing 747. See what's happening. If you want to friend me, just tell me in the comments your Roblox names and we'll see. Alright, so VHO. Oh, history almost repeated itself. That was a close call. Put close call in the comments if you think that was a close call. But it did stop, so it wasn't that of a close call. What plane is this? A Boeing 737? Oh, I didn't know they have cargo. Alright. Oh! Oh, no. VHO, stop! Close call. Again. Wow, that was close. Very, very close call. You guys, I think this is like not really plane spotting. We're just on the ground seeing all planes. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3. Because I want to see it. Vote it with me, people. Say me. E? What? Oh, let's see here. I'm gonna find his name. Oh, found him. Singapore Airlines. Alright, passenger and people, let's jump out of here. And let's visit the plane, I guess. Oh, come on. Why would it? Come on, stop it. This is a bathroom, I think. Yeah. Looks like one. As you can see, there's only a passenger. That means there's a co-pilot. Oh, first class. Just space through here. I want to stay in the front. Oh, okay. And I'm gonna sit down here. Oh. This is another flight. Well, at least it's still a good flight. Hope. I think they're requesting pushback. Oh, Oh, thank you. You say thanks. Oh, that's so cool though. Oh, what did she say? Oh. Why? Oh, okay. Why won't it stop? Oh god. Low battery. So let's send this fast. Let's go there. Wait for boarding. Hello. RP video. Wait, what? Alright, let's. Oh, wait, I'm boarding under the water in the other one. Oh, alright. This is gonna be good. You guys are gonna review this. I know this is a really long video. I should end it soon. I'm gonna sit down, look out the window, and thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you later.